It's an incredible feeling to be able to be part of an organization that delivers products that are out there around the world. They truly are saving lives and preserving freedom.
We build a pretty valuable commodity that saves people's lives, and having been fortunate enough to see how it saves people's lives just by getting them up off the ground, out of harm's way, it's been incredible.
Every time I hear the national anthem or have an opportunity to reflect on the people that have served and what we're doing, I feel immensely proud.
I cry every time. Not only because of all the friends that we've lost, but everything that we do. Even though I'm still not serving, I get to go back via my job, building awesome B-22s for my brothers and sisters out there on the battlefield to make sure we can go get everybody home. I still get to serve.